Hi! In front of me is Doogee S70, and today I would like to show you where you can check all specifications of this device. Start by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type DevCheck and download this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. From this app, you can find out all the information about your dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!